Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Vray for SketchUp. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So from here all you have to do is go to your search engine, and then from here you're going to search for Chaos and then Vray install. And so from here, once you go there, you're going to choose this first website, which is going to be the Chaos docs. Once you do so, you're going to click on here. And as you can see from this folder right here, it shows you the products for Chaos, and then Vray is right there. So click on Vray, and as you can see, the first button says download Vray for SketchUp. Click on it, and then from here is going to install the downloader or the installer once you accept and close all the things. And from here, make sure that you make an account and sign in either with Google, Trimble, or contribute with corporate email. Once you have created the setup, as you can see, Vray 7 for SketchUp, the newest version, is ready. So simply click on download for Windows, or it's going to show you to download for macOS, depending on your setup. And so from here, you're going to download it wherever you have the SketchUp folder downloaded. So from here, just simply click on save. And this is going to download an application, not a zip file or anything that is compressed, but a full application that is going to be the full installer for you. So all you have to do is once it finishes download is to open it, and it's going to take care of the rest of the job just by following the instructions. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.